YouTube. Welcome back, guys. Happy Thursday. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is Yeezy Powerphase in core black. It was released globally back in March 17. So if you guys didn't see my live copying of the video, you can check it out on the link that is going to show in the description or toward the end of this video, actually. And then without further ado, let's go ahead and get it started. This is our original come from Adidas.com. It is factory seal. I cut one of the gray one last time, so this is the black one. It is upside down. There's no invoice. Get this out of the way. So like always, I'm going to give you guys a 360 view at the box real quick, guys. This is the size chart. Got your Adidas original with the 3 stripes. The brand with the 3 stripes. And same on this side. And that's the top of the box. So this is Yeezy Powerphase size 9. UK is 8.5 or 42 2/3. This one, it says made in Indonesia. Let me give you guys a close-up look real quick. Style number is CG6420. Core black. I guess those are in different languages. And this is the UPC code right here. Make sure your original has this number. So let's go ahead and pop this baby open. And then the label on the cover, it says NH1 times 40 310 X 190X 110 millimeter. So as you can see, this is a tissue paper, and then it's pretty soft. It has Adidas logos on the yellow, like a beige color, as you can see it. And this is the hang tag right here. Got the green Adidas lettering with the red logo, and then Go Calabasas. And then you can see the stitches or the stitching. And on the back it says Adidas. You got the heel cup. with the 3 stripes. And then the outsole has a big letter Adidas with the logo on there. Let me take out the shoes tree. Wow, this one is kind of hard paper. So this is pretty stiff. Okay, normally the Yeezy from the previous version, the 350 V2s, their shoes tree is pretty soft. Okay. And then you got this Adidas insole. It's kind of faded black. So let me see if I can try. This one, I don't think you could take it out. It's like glue on or glue in. But let me see if I can try to take it out. And then the tongue, it doesn't. It's just plain black on the tongue. So let me get the other shoes real quick. Same thing, Adidas with the red logo. You got a bunch of hole right here on the toe box for you to for it to breathe, and right here on the 3 stripes on both sides. Some other people are saying that this shoes looks like for custodians, so I don't know. I always have haters out there not happy with the. Cannot make everybody happy, so. So let's go ahead and then give you guys on feed real quick, guys. So it's pretty grippy, so I'll give you a try on real quick. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please subscribe if you guys are new. Be sure to turn on the bell for notification, so whenever I drop new and latest video, you get a notification instantly. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.